Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this new wig that I received from Ishowbeauty. It is 36 inches long and this is their HD undeductible lace front wig. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The wig comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. I did bleach the knots. Don't mind some of the conditioner still in the hair. I am just combing the hair back so you can see what the hairline looks like. And here is how long the wig is. I did decide to try the new Wonder Lace Bond spray. The hold of the spray is really good. The only thing that I noticed is that when I do apply it, a lot of the spray comes out of the bottle. But here I'm just laying the wig, and also I didn't touch up the lace front. This is how it came before I decided to pluck anything. For a more natural look, you can definitely pluck some of the lace front. I will do it while the wig is still attached to my head, but I did want you guys to see what it looked like as you receive the wig. And here I'm just cutting the lace off, and as you can see, I did have the spray or the glue everywhere on my forehead, but you can easily remove that with some alcohol. After cutting off the lace, if you still see some of the wig lifting, the only thing that you have to do is apply some extra spray and then just use a blow dryer to make it dry, and then just use the end of a comb to really make sure that the lace is laid. This is what the hair texture looked like before me styling, and I must say the hair really is soft. I decided to pluck some of the frontal where I gave myself some baby hair, so I just added some water. It makes it easier to pluck the hair. And here's also a closer look of the lace. As you can see, it's definitely giving scalp, but I do feel like if you want it to look more natural, you should pluck it just a little bit. And here I'm just creating the baby hair. Yeah, I had the wrong brush to lay the baby hair down. And here I'm just using my hot comb to make sure that this side is flat. So this is how the hair turned out after I styled it. They do have this hair available all the way to 40 inches, and the shortest length that you can get is 10 inches. So here I'm just about to style the hair. The only thing I did was curl the whole entire unit with this curling wand that I always use. The density of this wig is 180%, and also as far as the frontal is 13 by 4 inches. As far as the hair, I have to say it is pretty soft, and I haven't experienced too much tangling or shedding. Another thing I wanted to mention is when I do my hair videos, or also when I edit them, usually you guys always get to see the whole look before I even post it on YouTube, because I like wear the hair for a little bit and also show it to you guys on Instagram, and then I actually record the voiceover. So far so good. I can't complain. I really love the hair. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this unit. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below, and I want you guys to let me know in the comment section what you guys actually think of this look. I really must say I've been enjoying the really long hair because I'm so used to always receiving wigs that are about 20 to 24 inches, so I really love this 36-inch wig. If you liked today's look, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.